call Python to the Teststand. Teststand is the LabView or the NI product or NI Teststand is just using for the test sequences, and like now we are going for calling Python script to the Teststand, and this is like one of the sequence edit in the Teststand. And when I go to the spider or Python spider, then I define a simple Python script, which is a function. It's like it's a common, a very basic and common script. Like I define a function called PhytonT, and my variable is SystemP. So I increment my variable each and every iteration by 25. Then I return that value. So if the SystemP is 5, then I will get 30, and if it's a 4, I will get 29. So that's the scripts works. Then I'm going to call that one, so maybe I'm going to delete this one just for now. So what I can do that insert steps and action. So here we can change which adapter you want, or even once you call, and then if you go to the general, and here you can just change the adapter even. So right now I go to the module, and here is the browse function. Then I call the spider python file tp. That's a file which I saved, and it's a .py format. And once you uploaded, you can see here the script which is which we were writing on the Python. Then here is like you can choose the adapter version and everything, but I'm just go for a default one. And if you have any compatibility issue, you can just like choose here, or if you go to the configure and adapter, you can change over there. Then you have load function if you want. Then operation scope is module, and operations type is method. Here is my function was PhytonT, so I define that function here. Then I will get input and output. So the system P should be the input. I click the function parameter, and I select this one as input, and my return value should be the output. So parameters, double click, and okay. Then sorry, it's parameters. I save as output. Then here is a numeric, both it's a dynamic and numeric is which value we are calling. Even we can call anyone, any values like a string or boolean, or we just like start with a number. Then that's pretty much everything, and I just maybe make a breakpoint to get a better understanding. Then I go to run this test. Here what I did that, okay, so my variable, I define the variable here. This is the one I define myself, like input is 4 and output is 0. That's the one I assign. System P is input, and system return value is output. So that's the functionality here. This is like executing file. Here you can see the variable is in is 4. That's the one I define already, 4. Then one more step, then we get 29 output, because 4 plus 25, that was the script says. When I go here, if my input is 4, system P is defined at 4, then my output will be 25. That's we can see over here. We get 29, then we exit from the test. Then if you stop, then it will generate the report with all the values and functions. So our input is 4 and the return value is 29. So for the sake of better understanding, I just change my input value. How I create this one, just insert the right click, insert the parameter number. Then even you can just define in and out to this, like some whatever the value you want type, and 5 or 20. This is the way we define the function. And there's a difference between parameters and local. Local is can be only used for the particular sequence, but the parameters you can call between the sequences. So I'm just going to delete that one, and maybe I'm going to change my input value to the 100. Then I will get 125 as outcome. So I'll just say this one. I'm going to run the function one more time. So my input is 100. That's the serial number is maybe 1 or 2 just for the to the which file you want. So input is 100. Then I'm going to run that one more time. Then 100 plus 25, 125. This is the way we can accommodate um, the Python scripts to here. So even we can change this script to the multiplication, any arithmetic or any, you can define the sequences that we can do it in the coming section. So this is one of the basic Python code, how we can call to the Teststand sequence, and also how to generate the report. So input is 100 and output is 125. And thank you.